The tuna curry that we made, I divided it into 3 portions. And now we're going to take one of those portions and make it into a delicious curry noodle dish. I'm using 3 packets of instant beef noodles for this dish. I'm using one of the sachets of the beef flavouring and pouring that into the pot. Once the noodles are cooked, take them out of the pot and put them into a dish so we can flavour them. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm adding half a sachet of the beef flavouring, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and I've cut up some spring onions, which we're going to be adding to the noodles as well. Add the spring onions to the noodles. This is an optional extra, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. To make the fried egg, I'm using butter. You can make them however you want. Fry your egg according to your taste. Add your salt and pepper. Just heat the butter in the pan and then add your egg. We like our eggs flipped, so that's how I'm making this egg. And now take your fried egg and top the noodles and tuna curry with it. The water that we boiled the noodles in, I've poured some into a little bowl, and I'm just adding the smaller variety of spring onions to that to make it into a soup. Some of my family like the noodles dry, and some of them like it to be a little bit more like soup. So that's why we serve the little bowl of soup on the side with the noodle dish. If you would like to see the other 2 ways of using the tuna curry, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.